How to create a budget using the EveryDollar application or the website. So please come on the Google Play Store of your mobile phone or PC to check that if you have downloaded. And then the first step will be enter your income in the application. Let's get started with your EveryDollar budget by adding your monthly income. The planned amount is what you expect to receive this month. Second is plan expenses. Now you just have to enter a planned amount for each budget item until you left to budget amount is zero and you see the wording it's an EveryDollar budget. Step 3 is simply track spending and income. When you get paid or make a purchase, come back to EveryDollar to track the transaction manually or drag and drop when the transaction is imported. More tips, tricks, tools are available with their complete guide to budgeting. You can feel free to ask the customer service. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.